Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, the wheels are away getting themselves built to look all fancy, and while that's happening and we're waiting for them to come back, let's get on with all the other work that's got to be done and hopefully make the rest of this pile look a little bit more like a motorcycle. So we'll start today with the furniture on the top end. All of this has got to be reassembled, starting with the headlight shell and all of the wiring Tetris that lives inside it. Once that's all plugged in and reinstalled, clocks back on, plug those in, got to wire in some new cool looking indicators and a fat bar conversion for the handlebars. Really looking forward to bolting that on because that's a very defining look. Once they're in place, all the furniture that goes on top of it. So look, loads of bits and pieces to do today, all about reassembly. So let's get stuck in. Right, there we are, a long day and lots done. That's all assembled nicely. Everything's plugged in, very neat, tidy and relaxed inside the headlight, quite important, but not quite complete on the bars. The brake side, I've not reassembled it because it's all pulled off. It's laying down there on the floor. I've got to rebuild the master cylinder and the caliper itself, so there's no point in putting it back on the bike and risking scratching things until it's ready to install. The clutch side, however, I know I'm going to get asked this question, I unplugged the line and I put it back on. It doesn't matter. It's getting completely stripped, the master cylinder rebuilt, the slave cylinder rebuilt, and possibly a new hose. I'll have a close look at it when the time comes. There's nothing necessarily wrong with the hose, but it's a rubber one and it's 20 years old, so I might put a braided one on there just in case, because all the rest are braided hoses. So that's it. Can't quite complete the handlebars, but everything else is ready. In the next one, I've got a front brake caliper and a rear brake caliper to rebuild, as well as these master cylinders. So maybe front brake caliper and see how we get on from there. I'll see for that.